should be walking.
Yes.
Ino ni family ya Deiris, Kemunto na Jacob Odeke kuma Busia, na taciari aria angi ni makenereire kurathimwo na mwana wao wa keri wa kahe niwe Luke Mshindi uria mamugeire mweri wa 11 mwaka wa 2023.
So there's no hospital.
Na Mshindi ari na ciumia 6 riria atwarirwo clinic niho ambiriirie kuonekana aya gukorwo na thina kuona ona uritu wake ndongagirira na ari tu na kiro 1.8 iria ni nini makiria. Thibitari iria mathiaga mwena wa Busia nderi no hoti wa gutabania ithimi itiganite, na haha niho nyina wa Mshindi ohire thabari nginyagia thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta kuri mweri wa kanana mwaka muhituku ari na mwihoko wa mwana wake kumenyekana thina uria ari naguo. Indi riboti iria amukerire thutha wa ithimi yari ya kumumania ngoro kuona niho amenyithirio mwana wake ari na thina wa ini.
I used to notice his eyes a bit yellow, not like this the way you can see him now. I used to note the yellow so what came to my mind is that maybe it's no more, he was born that way, because the eyes of his sister, I have a firstborn, he's the secondborn, were white. So I thought maybe he's born that way.
Na mweri-ini ucio warumirire wa kenda, ndwari ya Mshindi ikihereria kuria nda yake yambiriirie kuimba na ndongagirira nginyagia kiro, na haha niho marigitari maumburiire nyina kehonia kia Mshindi ni gwikirwo ini ringi na kwaga uguo ndangitura.
After suggesting about liver transplant, unfortunately the doctor ndiye alituambia sasa liver transplant haifanywi Kenya, it can only be done in India. And now we are trying to figure out sasa India. Actually mimi niliingia online kujaribu kutafuta kama kuna anyone mwenye ameipitia the condition that I was going through, because I knew nothing about it. If he doesn't take my medication as it is, the stomach will be big because of accumulation of fluids.
Kwa ihinda riu family no ikoretwe ikigirika kuona matiri no hoti wa kuona mbeca iria Mshindi arabatara niguo athia karigitirwo bururi-ini wa India, na nyina niwe wihothete kumuteithia na ini.
We took time to digest everything, like 5 million, like where are we going to find this amount? Yake itatolewa yote because imeharibika, and then the donors itatolewa sehemu alafu aekewe. So the good thing is ni kwamba the liver has a potential to regrow.
Mbeca iria family no irabatara ni ciringi mirion 5 iria marahoya andu a wendi mwega kumateithĩrĩria gucanga niguo mwana wao akarigitwo.
And I will be the donor, and an extra person will be our caregiver, because the liver transplant will include me and Luke, so we will need someone else to help us to do 1, 2, 3.
Ugienda guteithia Mshindi ugutuma uteithio waku kuri paybill number 522533, account number wikire 789169, ritwa ikurehe Luke Mshindi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.